Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today, obviously I'm outside, so we're gonna have something pretty cool to show you for barbecuing. And that's right here in this box. This is the Dalstrong G10 4-piece barbecue set. So before I open up this bad boy, stick around and check it out. Alright, so like in the intro, I mentioned that we're going to review the Dalstrong G10 stainless steel 4-piece barbecue set. It comes in this beautiful box, which is magnetic, so it can open up. And we've got a little piece of foam here, which I'll put to the side. And I'll give you a little bit closer up of a shot. In this set, we've got our spatula. We've got a basting brush. We've got the fork for vegetables or spearing meat, turning it over. And last but not least, our tongs. All right, so maybe you've never heard of Dalstrong before. They're a higher-end company that makes kitchen utensils. Knives are their specialty. They've got some beautiful knife sets. They are a little bit more expensive, but you get what you pay for. So, with that being said, how much is this barbecue set here? Well, you're looking at 130 US dollars or 170 Canadian. It's a little steep, but I guarantee you it is worth it. Each piece is solid. It's not hollow. It's not something that you buy at Home Depot. Okay, there's no way you're bending this or even misshaping it. It is a solid, heavy piece. Okay? And that goes for all pieces in this kit. Let's take them out, kind of show you what they are one by one. First of all, we've got your spatula. And this has a serrated edge along the one side and two flat edges, okay? The front edge here is sharpened, so it'll be easier to scoop up anything, your burgers, flip them, whatever. One of the things I really like about this is that in the center of it is a bottle opener. So it's incorporated into it. It's nothing extra, it's built into the design. And it works just like this. Boom, done. How is that? And it works just like this. Boom, done. How is that? Pretty easy, eh? Cheers. Next thing I want to show you is the tongs. Okay, these tongs, even down to the mechanism, the springs inside, they're just absolutely amazing. This thing's solid. So, you can see the build quality in this. Look at that. There's no way that's even bending. The edges inside are not sharp at all, so it's not going to pierce your meats. You'll be able to pick it up, no problem. These, again, have some serious weight to them. Now the vegetable fork. Same thing, nice sharp little points here, as you can see. And trying to even get it to bend, even just a little bit, just to show you that that's not moving. This thing is a solid piece. So I don't really I don't really use these very often, but it's part of the set, so maybe I'll start. Maybe I need to start using these. Definitely good for fending off attackers. This thing is a weapon. Like, wow. And last but not least, we've got the basting brush. So again, it's made out of that same solid steel, stainless steel. Okay, got a really good heft to it. Very, 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 very solid. And I like that it's got this curved tip to it. You can see the tip here is all curved, so you can get in and baste whatever you need to baste. The only downside of this kit that I can really see, besides the price, is in the basting brush. This is its weak point, if I may say so. The bristles are really nice and long, but they're rubbery. They're rubber, and I can see that this will wear out over time, I think. Maybe a bristle will come off, somebody pulls one, it gets caught in the grate. So I gotta find out if there's possibility of getting a replacement piece. If there is, that's fantastic. But there's not. You can't just get a replacement head for the sauce brush at all. But I did speak to Dalstrong customer support, and they did say that they have a limited lifetime warranty on them. So as long as there wasn't any abuse or whatever, you can contact Dalstrong. If not, it's a basting brush, but I still think it's going to last a long time. I love the design of it. All the other basting brushes I have been straight, and they work. They're all right, but I'm really excited to use this one. So, with that being said, the downsides. What's the downside of this kit? Obviously the cost. But if you can afford it, and you buy this kit, which, by the way, was not sent to me, I bought this with my own money, like all my videos. So I'm not getting paid or any kickbacks whatsoever to say what I think about this barbecue set. Anybody that knows me or knows my videos knows that I'm a firm believer in you get what you pay for, right? You buy cheap, you buy twice, maybe even 3 times. So instead of a Home Depot set that I'm going to replace every couple of years because a rivet goes or something like that, this one, this barbecue set, I can see you passing it down to your children or your grandchildren even. It's going to be all around for a long time. So as you can see, cooking up food with these things has been easy as any other barbecue set. I do feel a lot more confident in these when they're in your hands. There's such a nice weight to them. They're such a nice feel. Even down to the rivets. There's the Dalstrong rivet here in the center of all 4 of these pieces. It's fantastic craftsmanship. I can't say enough good things about it. So, would I recommend buying this kit? Absolutely. If you can afford it, if you can swing it, you buy it. You're not going to be buying another set anytime soon. Like literally years and years. You can tell, like, this is, even the springs inside, I'm blown away by the quality of all this. Hope you learned something from this video. Maybe I helped you make up your mind on this kit one way or the other. I really don't have anything bad to say about it except for those bristles. I can see that being a problem in the future. Aside from that, this is probably the most solid set you're gonna find out on the market today. I'm sure there are probably a few other ones that are more expensive or whatever, but the quality that's gone into these, I haven't seen it in any other manufacturer yet. Anyway, so I hope you learned something today. I hope I helped you make up your mind or shed a little light, a little information on this kit. I really don't think you can go wrong with it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do so. Hell, there's even a little bell in the corner if you want to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to smash that like button, and as always, well, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody.